If you want to learn how to play itch.io games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to open an itch.io game, figure out whether it runs in your browser or needs to be downloaded, and then start playing without any confusion. This is a great guide if you're new to itch.io, because some games launch instantly in your browser, while others need a quick install first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once you're on the site, use the search bar or browse the homepage to find the game you want to play. When you open the game page, take a close look at the game details. You want to check whether the game is marked as browser or downloadable. This is the most important step because it tells you exactly how the game works. If it says browser, that means you can play it right away online without installing anything. In that case, look for the Run Game button and click it. The game should load directly in your browser, and once it finishes loading, you can start playing immediately. If the game is downloadable, the process is just slightly different, but still very easy. On the game page, click the Download button. Your browser will begin downloading the game file to your computer. Depending on the game, it may come as a zip file or another compressed format. If that happens, you may need to extract the file first before you can open it. After extracting it, look for the game executable file, usually something like an exe file on Windows, and open it to launch the game. From there, you can play just like any other installed game. If the game gives you extra instructions on the itch.io page, always read those too, because some creators include notes about controls, system requirements, or special launch steps. That can save you from getting stuck later. And if the game doesn't start right away, double-check that you downloaded the correct version for your device, and make sure any files were fully extracted before trying again. Once you know whether a game is browser-based or downloadable, itch.io becomes really easy to use. Browser games are the fastest option because they launch instantly, while downloadable games give you access to full installs and offline play in many cases. Either way, the key is simply to open the game page, check the format, and follow the correct launch method. So to quickly recap, go to itch.io, search and open the game page, check whether it's browser or downloadable, click Run Game for browser titles, or click Download, extract the files if needed, and open the game file to play. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.